What's happening, Tiny Whip community? I'm Jesse P here at Tiny Whip headquarters. Today I'm doing some training on the MultiGP UTT7 course, which is a pretty sweet, quick little Tiny Whip course. It takes like 5 minutes to set up. You can compare lap times with people around the world, and right now I'm chasing down West Blue Jay Burson from Ohio. This guy is incredibly fast, but I'm getting close. And I'm also filming today with a 360 camera, the GoPro Fusion, to prove that this is the future of filming Tiny Whip races. So I think it's cool, but please let me know what you think down in the comments and check it out.